Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today my lovely mail lady dropped off a package from Craftbox UK. I'm super excited to see the November kit. I've paid through December, so I have 1 month after this, and then I need to decide if I want more. My guess is yes, because I love these kits. They're a little spendy, but they're beautiful and perfectly curated. Very excited to get this one. This one definitely looks Christmas themed or holiday themed. I loved the October one, so very excited to apologize for the paint on my hands. Very excited to see what's inside. So let's take a look. They're always so beautifully packaged, and I love these boxes. I tend to decorate them or reuse them or put stickers on them and use them as storage for pins and stuff that I get in my boxes, since I do a lot of unboxings. Merry Christmas! So this is definitely a Christmas themed. Beautiful, beautiful postcard. There is usually a gift on top that is for subscribers. And this is a red glitter. There's usually a list of what's included on top as well, but I don't see that. That's okay. I never look at it anyways. Beautiful tissue paper and a Christmas sticker. I don't like to rip the sticker or the tissue paper, so let's see. I will do it anyways. Okay. So beautifully packaged. And here's what's inside. So gorgeous flowers. I love the poinsettia one. I'm starting to make my own paper flowers. I also make flowers out of soda cans, things like that. So I really like the effects, and it definitely gives me some inspiration. There is some postcards in here. Very cute. I've never seen them do postcards before. I want to say that I've been subscribing for 6 months. So this is perfect because you can actually decorate this and use it as your Christmas card. So there are 4 of these in here, so that's very nice. If you're not into postcards, you could absolutely turn this into a regular card. So that on top of the one they already gave us on top, so that's 5. Next up are some bells. I wonder if they chime. Little itty bitty click, click, click. But very pretty. And I love to use the cards as well. Reuse the cards. And I recycle the plastic. A lot of times I'll even use the plastic as my paint palette. So these they call cabochons, and there's Santas behind them, and they're very pretty. This one's a little manger scene. You can see that. I don't think I can focus in either. Oh, very cool. There we go. Next up is a jar of glass beads. Very cool. This one, instead of being wrapped in plastic, is wrapped in paper, which I love. With a beautiful sticker that I just ripped. And inside there is some more ribbon. This ribbon says Merry Christmas. On top of that, we also have the ribbon it was wrapped in. I ripped the bag on that one. I could just tape it to a journal on the back side. Oh, they're buttons. They're like wooden pieces. This one is a snow globe. A little house. Oh, I love them. Trees. Another pretty snow globe. Another pretty house. And that's fun. And they're actually buttons. There's holes in them. Oops. Metal snowflakes, I think. How pretty. They're very unique. I think they're very thin metal. If you can see that on my pink hand. Very cool. Those would be great in backgrounds. Oh. Oh, this one sounds like it's full. Whew. So, metal bits and bobs, trees, Santas, snowflakes, stockings, and reindeer and bells. Looks like stickers, maybe? So maybe just paper cutouts. Don't think they're stickers. Very cool little tags. And then these are washi tape stickers. North Pole. Let it snow, Santa. Oh, I love this reindeer. That is the cutest. Oh, there's a penguin. So it's very nice. Then there is some snip art. Sending love this Christmas. Oh, gorgeous tree. I don't know what that is, but that will look beautiful on some mixed media work. Lovely stencil. I love the stencils. I'm starting to gain a really big collection between all of the snip arts that I've gotten through the year. So it will go right into my collection. And then the beautiful papers. It's 6x6 paper, is single-sided, and I think there's usually one of each, but this time it looks like there's a bigger pack. So maybe we'll have two of each. So pretty reindeer. Oh, look at her. She's gorgeous. Well, there's lots of designs in here. They're all unique. I think this is the first one, yeah. No? Nope. It's a different one. Very nice. Great touch putting some of the items in paper bags. I definitely love that. And this kit is very elegant, very pretty. Oh, that's why he looked familiar, because he's on the card. Very pretty, and I can't wait to create something. So thank you Craftbox and Anna Hersom for another amazing box. Definitely something I'm excited to use, and I'm gonna take a guess that I will be renewing my subscription. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. Thanks for watching.